Hey guys, in the last video we have seen that how to make bottom tab navigation just looking like this, which is looking great. Alright, now after that, to start designing this home screen UI, we need a custom font family. Okay, so what we're gonna do in this session that we're gonna do the setup of custom font family. Okay, so which font family is it? The font family which I'm using, this is called Space Grotex. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this name, I'm gonna search on the browser. Okay, let me open the new tab, and here I'm gonna paste Space Grotex font. Once you search font, just open the Google Fonts. Here you guys can get that, or you guys can also search here that font. Alright, now after that, let's click on get font. Once you click on get font, click on download all. Once you click on download all, it will get downloaded. Let me open this font family. Okay, and I'm going to extract this font family by clicking on extract all. Once I extract this font family, here you can see that all the fonts. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this all font family. Just copy this all the font family like this. After that, let's go back to your ID. Okay, inside this ID you have to do one thing. You have to click on this app.tsx, click on new folder, and name this folder as called assets like this. Okay, inside this assets folder, create one another folder that is called fonts. Okay, inside this fonts directory, let me open this fonts directory in a reveal in file explorer, and let me open this, and here I'm gonna paste all the font family. Here you can see that inside the assets we have pasted all the fonts family. All right, so I'm going to create one file that is called reactnative.config.js. All right, after that you have to write export const. Okay, exports const, and after that you have to write called, what is that, let me remember. Okay, I got it. So what you have to do, you have to write module.exports. Inside this you have to write projects like this, project, and inside this you have to write Android like this, and you have to write iOS, and after that you have to write assets. Okay, ASSETS, and inside that you have to write like this dot slash, okay, not dot slash, dot slash assets slash fonts. All right, and after that let me open your terminal back, and here you have to run one command which I'm going to write inside this readme.md, so you guys doesn't make any mistake. The command which you have to run, let me show you that: npx react native asset. Here you can see, and hit enter. All right, now once you hit this command, what it's gonna do, it will link the font family to your Android project. So you can see that linking TTF assets to your Android project. So I'm gonna copy this command, and I'm gonna paste this command for you guys, so you guys doesn't make any mistake while doing set of the font family. So here you guys can see that it has created some font family, like it has made this a copy of your font family inside the Android directory. All right, now let me clear the terminal, and I'm going to restart my emulator. Okay, so here you can see that our emulator and the server. Okay, and this is how you guys can do the setup of React Native vectors. This is how you can set up the font family. Okay, now let's go to the source, and let's go to the theme, and inside this index.ts we're gonna have another object that is called export const font family. Inside this we're gonna write all the font family which we have mentioned. The first font family which is we are going to use, that is called regular. Right, okay, so we're gonna write regular like this, and we have to copy this name. Okay, we can use name this directly, like by just typing directly. So to avoid any typos, so I'm gonna create one object, and we're gonna use this while through our application. All right, so I'm gonna write regular medium. Okay, let me copy paste this whole stuff quickly so we guys don't make any mistake. Medium, and we're gonna have light, and we're gonna have bold, and we're gonna have semi bold like this, regular, and we're gonna have medium. So let me copy this name quickly so I doesn't any make mistake. So we're gonna have a medium here, Okay, and we're gonna have light, we're gonna have bold, and the next one is called semi bold. Okay, so let's write the semi bold. Semi bold. Awesome, this is looking crazy. All right, and after that, inside this theme, we're gonna export that the theme as well. Cool. Now let's go back to the home screen and let's see that this font family is really working or not. Okay, let's go to source, screens, and home screen. So here you can see that we are having a text. So I'm going to style this. So style, and we're going to style like this. So I'm going to make the font size as a 30 font now. All right, and we're going to make the color as a colors dot. So we're going to import the colors dot primary. Let's try primary color, and here after that now we're going to have a try check the font family is working or not. So you can write the font family just like this, space vertex regular, just like this, and here you can see it's working great. And let me write here bold. Okay, so you guys can write the font family just like this, but it can it can cause a lot of typos. To avoid the typos, what we're gonna do, we're gonna import the font family from the theme, and here we can have here we get the suggestion as well, and we can use semi bold. Whatever the font family you want to use, you guys can use it very easily manner. Here you can see that we are using this font family. So our app is bundling. Okay, let me reload the app. Okay, let's go to the font family, and here you can see that we are having a regular okay, we got an error. Okay, let me reload this app once more. Okay, but before that, let's see font family is coming from the right place. Yeah, it's coming from the right place, and let's reload once more. Okay, and I'm making some mistake, quite be that's why. Okay, let's do one more thing. So I'm gonna just remove this whole right now this code, and let me reload this app. Okay, and I'm getting some. Okay, so I'm gonna just reinstall my app. Maybe that's causing some issues right now, and yeah, so we're gonna just, so we guys can use this font family just like this. So font family, and we can import this font family dot bold. Whatever font family you need, you can use it. That's totally straightforward. Quickly you can use it. Okay, and let me try to reload this app once more, and let's check it out, like it's really working or like it's crashing, some issues is happen. So we're gonna just figure it out quickly, and it's called this can happen if metro local data server is running from the wrong folder. Oh, this is working, this is crazy. Now sorted, we have to just rebuild our app. All right, so this is how you can make this font family. So we're gonna use another font family, maybe a regular. So let's try. This is how regular font family looks like. Okay, so let me summarize this whole stuff quickly, how to set a font family. So first of all, you have to go to the Google Fonts, and here you have to search the font name. The font name is what? Space Crotex. After that, download this font family, extract that font family, and after that you have to create one directory called assets, and inside the assets you have to create another directory called fonts and paste your all the fonts. After that, you have to create one file that is called react native config.js, just like this. Let me zoom it for you guys. React native config.js. Inside this, you have to write module.export project and write iOS and assets. Inside the assets, you have to locate the font. Once you're done with that, you have to copy this command npx react native assets. After that, we went back to the theme directory, and here we had created one object called font family, regular, medium, light, bold, and semi bold. And after that, we went back to the home screen and we import the font family, and we are reusing this font family at every place. We don't have to write this whole string manually, and this saves a lot of times and helps us to reduce the typos. So yeah, that's all in this videos, and in the next video what we are going to do. Okay, but before that, let me do one thing. Let me make it tick for you guys. All right, and this is also done. This is crazy, like we have done almost 5 videos, and in the next chapter we're gonna do the home screen UI. All right, this is an awesome looking great UI we are going to build in the next videos. All right, so let's do it. All right, guys, let me know if you have any question. Thank you. Bye.